morning everyone, my name is Shannon and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, your go-to spot for all things stitch related. Today is day 6 of Vlogmas and it is Friday. Thank goodness it is Friday because I am so done with work. I can't wait for the weekend. So yeah, let's start with what I am wearing today. I am wearing my Helen's Closet Pona jacket in a navy corduroy, and I actually really like this jacket. It's so easy to come together because it doesn't have a lining. It has bound seams instead, which I think just look really nice. I did it in some contrasting binding so it stands out but it still matches, you know. So that is what I'm wearing with just like a blouse and some jeans, because Friday is the day in the office we get to dress casual. Yesterday I was wearing my blanket flight suit, so that means I have been wearing something me made every day of December so far. In the weekend it is always a bit easier because I can just obviously wear whatever I want. In the office we have a bit of a strict dress code for at least the first 4 days. So it's always a bit more difficult to make sure my outfit matches the dress code without just wearing the same thing over and over again. So I have been making some items of clothing that I can wear to the office. I've made like a blouse or a shirt, whatever you call it, adapted the pattern so it completely fits me, and I'm just making a couple of those because I've got nice trousers to wear, but if I can wear some me-made shirts that would be nice, especially since the shirts that I had really old and starting to tear and get holes and whatnot, and I don't mind mending them, but obviously you got to be a bit careful with some things in what places you mend them, because you know my boss might say, well, it looks, you know, not professional enough or whatever. Anyway, enough of that. Last night we had my husband's birthday party, which was really nice. It was good fun. We had some lovely people show up, but it does mean I'm a little bit more tired than I usually am today. So coffee is very much needed. But the nice thing is that on Friday we have breakfast together in the office. So I was able to stay in bed for an extra half an hour because I don't have to prepare breakfast and eat it. So yeah, let's get into the advent calendar, shall we? Let's open my button one first. Number 6. 7, 13, 11, 8, 10. Let's see. Day 6. I feel there's a good couple of buttons in there. Okay. Oh, they're heart buttons. Oh, that's cute. I like those. I'm just thinking, do I have any fabric that I can use this on? Obviously it can be contrasting as it is, like, it's not harsh white, but it's kind of like a creamy white. And they have some glitter in there as well. Oh, that's really cute. Oh. Sorry, need another coffee. Oh. So I woke up my dog this morning. She sleeps downstairs in the crate because in our old house she's able to open all the doors, and because they don't close properly and they don't have handles, so she's able to so they're just push doors. She puts against them, they open. So she's able to open all the doors, and for the first year and a half that we lived here it was fine. She could sleep downstairs, no problem, but she figured out she could open the door in the middle of the night and then get up to our bed, and it would give me a heart attack every single time. So she would wake us up a couple of times in the night. So we resorted to having her sleep in the crate, which, I mean, she doesn't mind. It's big enough. She can wrap herself around in her little blanket. and she's fine. Well, I woke her up this morning, and then the first thing she always does is go to Richard in our bedroom, which I thought she would do again this morning, but I just heard her go upstairs into the second bedroom where my brother-in-law is sleeping, and he didn't have to be awake yet, I don't think. So sorry about that, Cam, if you're watching. So yeah, let's open the Becky Sewing Studio calendar. 7, 8, that's 9, 10. Da-da-da. Ooh, this is ah, here it is. Oh, this is round. Could it be, well, you know, one of those needle lipstick things? Interesting. Oh, ooh, that is fancy. It says Life's a Stitch. We open it. Oh, twist it. What is it? Oh, it is empty. So it's for needles, I'm assuming. Or maybe just anything. Because it goes quite deep. I don't know if you could ever get your needles out. It looks really nice. It's nicely made. But I don't know what to put into this. I'm thinking needles, right? Hand sewing needles. Anyway, it's very pretty. I like it. So yeah, that's really cute. Really fancy. Yeah. Okay. So those are my 2 advent calendars. Today, am I going to be able to do some sewing tonight? I don't know. It depends. I'm feeling quite tired. We might have plans later tonight, but we'll see. I gotta go to work first, so I'll see you all later.